Ana, bakit parang nagre-review ka for board exam? Relax ka nga dyan.
Mia, may nangyayaring masama sa baba ko.
Kakaiba? Like what? Kumakanta? Sumasayaw? Or nagpapasko?
Hindi, ang kati-kati. Tapos may yellow-green discharge. Parang traffic light na nagagalit.
Hello, Ana. What brings you here today? At bakit parang may bagyo sa aura mo?
Nurse, may weird discharge and super itchy. I think something's wrong.
Parang familiar. Sounds like trichomoniasis.
Huh? Trichomo what? Sino yun? Ex ng ex ko?
Hindi, Day. It's an STI caused by a parasite called Trichomonas vaginalis. Parasite yun, hindi kabit.
So nurse, paano ba nakukuha yan? Baka nakuha niya sa fishbowl sa kanto.
Hindi.
This condition is acquired through several risk factors related to sexual activity, like unprotected sex, multiple partners, previous STIs, or sharing unsanitized sex toys.
So hindi nga sa fishbowl. Good to know.
So, normal pala yung discharge na parang gulay?
Hindi siya normal. Pero common siya sa trichomoniasis. May mga symptoms siya.
The following signs and symptoms are typically observed in patients with this condition. Itching or persistent genital itching that feels uncomfortable. The second one is yellow-green or frothy discharge. Thick, bubbly discharge that often linked to trichomoniasis. Third is the foul odor, a strong, unpleasant smell that gets worse after sex. And lastly, pain when peeing or during sex, burning when you pee and discomfort during intercourse.
So parang nag-aamoy festival doon?
Slightly, parang may fiesta ang bacteria. Ay mali, parasite pala.
How do you know if I have it?
To confirm if you're positive, we need to make sure that we get more security. So we're going to perform a diagnostic test, which includes a vagina examination.
Sige po, roll call na nila.
Ana, positive ka for trichomoniasis.
Lord, bakit ako?
Relax, because there's an effective treatment for this. The treatment is so simple. For medication, we have there metronidazole. It is worked by killing the parasite and stopping the infection from spreading. Just keep this in mind. No alcohol while taking the medication. I know that rule hurts emotionally. Also, your partner needs treatment too. Both of you must be treated to avoid reinfection. And lastly, no sexual activity for now until both of you finish the medication.
Oh my God, walang alcohol? Nurse, masakit po yun.
Oo nga nurse, masakit sa soul.
Oh wait, I forgot something. Before we end this, there's something you should remember to avoid getting this again. So to prevent this from coming back, remember, use condoms every time for protection. Stay with one faithful partner or at least don't change dates too often. Get regular STI checkups so problems can be detected early. And lastly, clean your sex toys properly and they're not just for display.
Copy po nurse, pang-quiz din na kami sa STIs.
Thank you, nurse. At least alam ko na. Hindi ako sinapian, parasite lang pala.
Oh, di ba? Kaya next time, always protect yourself, okay?
Tara na Ana, ipagdiwang natin. Ay, bawal pala ang alcohol. Milk tea na lang.
Sige, para sa healing at sa pag-move on sa parasite na yon.